A model that doesn't exist. The rise of Itana, the AI influencer. Imagine a photo shoot without a model. Not because she's late, but because she doesn't exist. Meet Itana, a hyper-realistic AI model who has taken the digital world by storm. Created just a year ago, Itana has already amassed a significant following and is generating thousands of dollars monthly for her Barcelona-based agency. We always strive to make Itana's content as close to what a real influencer would produce, her team explains. The process begins with photo shoots using human stand-ins, carefully crafting lighting and shadows. Later, the AI replaces the stand-in, blending seamlessly into the image. The result? Stunningly lifelike photos and videos that fill Itana's Instagram feed. In addition to still images, her designers create short, captivating videos for her Instagram stories. These often feature iconic Barcelona backdrops, customized with AI prompts that detail her outfits, movements, and interactions. While the agency keeps their exact tools under wraps, they admit to using a mix of open-source AI generators like Stable Diffusion, which can occasionally yield surprising and sometimes humorous results. Itana would never wear this, one designer laughs, referencing a quirky AI-generated outfit. We've spent months crafting her personality and understanding how she interacts with her followers. It's why people connect with her, even though she's not real. Itana's early Instagram days tell a story of rapid evolution. Early images show imperfections, with her facial features changing slightly from post to post. Now, her content is polished to perfection, thanks to advances in AI technology and skilled human touch-ups. Tasks that once took days are now completed in hours, allowing her team to produce more content faster. The results speak for themselves. Itana's agency earns thousands of pounds monthly through sponsorships and endorsements from fitness, nutrition, and fashion brands. She's even ventured into private memberships for exclusive content, catering primarily to her mostly male fan base. However, Itana's rise isn't without controversy. Critics like well-being influencer Danae Mercer warn about the unrealistic beauty standards AI models set, especially for impressionable teenagers. These AI influencers are so close to real that many followers don't realize they're fake. They promote a perfection that's not achievable because it doesn't exist, Mercer says. Itana's team acknowledges the challenge of balancing realism and diversity. While clients often request the stereotypical perfect model, the agency is gradually introducing more diverse AI personalities, including curvier figures and male models. Yet, male AI influencers haven't gained the same traction, reflecting persistent biases in the marketing world. Despite the challenges, the agency believes AI models are here to stay. Their latest project involves designing an AI model to serve as the face and voice of an in-car AI assistant for a major automotive brand.